Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd, CEO of the Murrumbidgee Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's video update for Monday the 3rd of August. In the last 24 hours, there have been 429 new cases of coronavirus in Victoria, bringing us to a total of 6,489 active cases. 416 people are in hospital, with 35 in intensive care. Over 1.67 million tests have been carried out, and sadly another 13 deaths have been reported since yesterday, bringing the total number of lives lost in Victoria to 136. 5,111 people have recovered from the virus, and Murrumbidgee remains at the one active case. A reminder that all Victorians must now be wearing a face mask whenever you leave home, unless you have a lawful reason not to wear one. A face covering can be a face mask or shield, and it needs to cover both your nose and mouth. Yesterday, the state government declared a state of disaster in Victoria, which is in place immediately and for the next 6 weeks, and that runs through until the 13th of September. Victoria is now divided into two zones: Metropolitan Melbourne, where Stage 4 restrictions are already in place, and Regional Victoria, including the Murrumbidgee Shire, where Stage 3 restrictions will apply from 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday the 5th of August. For people in Metropolitan Melbourne, residents must not travel further than 5 kilometres for shopping or exercise. Shopping is limited to one member of the household, and exercise out of the home is limited to 1 hour once a day. Also, a nightly curfew from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. is in place every day and applies to anyone except those working or providing essential care. From Wednesday the 5th of August, statewide, all schools will move to remote learning. Today, the Premier announced significant changes to businesses operating in Metropolitan Melbourne. These are very complex, and I will not attempt to step through all of those now, but if you work in Melbourne, I suggest reviewing the DHHS website for the full details. For Regional Victoria, including the Murrumbidgee Shire, Stage 3 restrictions, as I said, will be in place from 11:59 p.m. on this Wednesday, the 5th of August. Under Stage 3, there are only 4 reasons to leave your home: shopping for food and essential items, care and caregiving for compassionate reasons or to seek medical treatment, daily exercise and work or study for those who can't do this at home. You must not have visitors to your home other than for essential caregiving. As I said before, all schools within our Shire will close from today. A pupil-free day is scheduled for tomorrow, and remote learning will commence from Wednesday. Under the Stage 3 restrictions, a range of businesses will be impacted. Cafes, restaurants and pubs must move to takeaway and delivery services only. Indoor sports centres and gyms will need to close, and community sports will be ceased. Beauty and massage, therapists, nail and tanning salons must also close. I've been receiving lots of questions about the restrictions, and thank you for those, many of which we have been able to answer based on the DHHS website and the guidance available. However, the one question that I still cannot provide an absolute clarity on an answer on is whether residents of the Murrumbidgee Shire, particularly those that normally shop in places like Whittlesea or Healesville, can continue to do so. We're still waiting on the advice in full from the Chief Health Officer and the directions issued to be able to answer that question. So as soon as I receive those, I'll provide you a further update. Today, the state government announced that $5,000 grants available to regional Victorian businesses that are impacted by the Stage 3 restrictions. There'll be further updates on business support, which we'll provide as soon as the state government releases them. But the government and the Premier did indicate that the eligibility will be the same as the previous $5,000 grants that many businesses in our Shire received previously. With these changes, the key messages still remain: if you are sick, even if you're feeling just a little bit unwell, please go and get tested. If you have any symptoms, no matter how mild, you must not go to work. The DHHS website has all the information on testing locations. Contact your local hospital to make an appointment or your GP surgery. It's very easy to feel a bit worried with all this news going on at the moment, but I must reassure you that a wide range of services are still open and available to all of us. And the state government has also said that they will be introducing more services, particularly around mental health support. Council will continue to deliver our essential services to the community, and I promised an update on that today. So from Thursday, the 6th of August, there will be changes to how we deliver our services to you. Our customer service centres, including all the services that we normally host for Vic Roads in Alexandra and Centrelink in Kinglake, will be closed. That's in accordance with the Chief Health Officer's directions. However, our customer service staff will continue to answer your calls. They'll be doing it from home. You'll still be able to contact us by calling 5772 0333, and our amazing staff will answer your calls and any questions you may have. Please bear with us if you have difficulty getting through on the phones. There is quite a strain on the mobile network at the moment, and certainly experiencing a lot of dropouts, particularly here in Alex at the moment. So if you struggle to get through, please try us again or send us a message online if you have access to that. You can also submit requests to Council through our online customer request service, or you can email us at customer@murrindindi.vic.gov.au. The customer service centres closing will also mean the library's closing, so we will be continuing with our book butler service. So you'll be able to have books delivered, DVDs and audio delivered to your home, and we'll pick them up again when you're done. All you need to do is give us a call. We have protocols in place to maintain strict hygiene procedures, including our staff wearing masks and safe physical distancing and cleaning. Again, give us a call or email us or message us through the website. We're reintroducing our print and post service for those of you that might have some essential paperwork that you need printed. Essential paperwork would include documents such as government forms, official letters, resumes, council forms and the like. All you need to do is email us at customer@murrindindi.vic.gov.au and we'll print it for you and return it by post, or if we can, ideally we'll be dropping that off to you, and this again is a free service. Dindi Link is continuing. It's our service aimed at supporting those in our community who are the most vulnerable. If you're over 65 or you're in one of the high-risk categories for COVID-19 and need help getting the essentials, please give us a call. Or if you know someone who is in need of support but is not in a position to contact us themselves, again, please let us know. Just give Council a call and we'll make contact with those people. Due to the Stage 3 restrictions, we'll not be able to accept bookings for halls and community centres, again in line with the Chief Health Officer's directions, and any bookings that have already been made between now and the 13th of September will be cancelled. Our maternal child health services in Yea, Kinglake and Alexandra are continuing to operate, but by appointment only. Appointments for immunisations will also continue. Masks are compulsory, like they are everywhere at the moment, for anyone attending the sessions who is over the age of 12. Our resource recovery centres will remain open at this stage, but we're only able to offer FPOS facilities and unable to accept cash. Curbside collection, the general waste collection from the curbside, continues as normal, and all outdoor services continue, including our parks and gardens and our road crews, who are all doing an amazing job. Public toilets will this time remain open with strict cleaning regimes in place to ensure that they're safe. However, outdoor barbecues, benches and all playgrounds and outdoor gym equipment will be closed to the public from Thursday, and signage and barriers again will be put in place. Before I finish up, I just wanted to remind you all that social media platforms are not always factual. Please don't rely on them for your information. For the full information, go to the DHHS website for the most up-to-date statewide information. For local advice, I encourage you to jump on our website at murrindindi.vic.gov.au, where we've got lots of information and links to all of the appropriate agencies. This is a challenging time for all of us, but we're a very resilient community in the Murrindindi Shire. Please keep looking out for each other. We've done this before, this stage 3, and we know we can get through it again. If you or someone you know is struggling, please reach out. There is help available, and lots of it, including support for mental health, financial hardship, as well as a whole range of other support services. Again, visit our website or contact our customer services and we'll provide you all the information you need. We will keep you updated over the next few days as further information is released by the Chief Health Officer. That's all from me today. Again, a long one, but sorry. Thank you for watching. You can also tune in to UGFM tomorrow morning at 8:30 to hear all the latest information. Stay safe, social distance, and where you can, stay home.